Hi, it's Ed Dale with Remax, and today we're in St. Mattel at 54 Sterling, and we have a special property for you to see today, so let's go have a look. Here we are in the main floor of a 2850 square foot two-story, and it's completely custom built from top to bottom. We have a white kitchen with a huge island that has quartz countertops and top-of-the-line appliances. Big windows everywhere. There's so much natural sunlight in here, but we got 4 more bedrooms to see and a media room and a separate suite downstairs, and the master's incredible. So let's go have a look. Here we are in the master bedroom, and like I said, it's spectacular. We've got big bright windows everywhere, pot lights, but this is my favorite part, the walk-in closet area. It's absolutely enormous and filled with built-ins. Well, that's it for 54 Sterling. If you have any more questions about this property, you can call me, Ed Dale with Remax, anytime.